everyone. Today, I am continuing the much beloved series of questions, and this is right now, you are watching part 3. In this part, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to ask you guys questions, and you can answer them either in your head, or out loud, or in the comments. Now, let's get started. My first question I have for you is, what is your favorite color? I'll wait for your answer. The second question I have for you is, my third question for you is, what is your favorite candy bar? And my fourth question for you is, what games do you like to play? And my last question for tonight is, sorry, I can't read my script very well. I don't have my glasses on, and it's kind of dark in here. My last question for you is, why? Why? That's all the questions for the night. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to comment your answers below. Thank you for watching. Please